All right. And now, to the big moments. Honorable, would you like to do us the honor?
We'll do it together.
Who wins the Artist of the Year?
It's Kid
Promise!
When I was coming here, you guys know I've been here a couple of times and I've gone home, you know? So I didn't write a speech. And then Kilby's told me in the car, I have a feeling, so write a speech. So I wrote a little something on my phone because I didn't want to mess up over here, okay? So just listen to me, okay? First of all, I want to say praises to the Almighty God. Praises to Jesus Christ. I want to say thank you to one man who changed my life. Kilby's and Legacy Life Entertainment right here on my right. I want to say thank you to my well-able team. Quaps, Funks, Erasmus, Gourmet, Gemma, Endo. God bless you guys. I want to say shout out to Curtis, Skanky, and all my brothers who stay with me every time and make sure I'm good. I want to say thank you to my parents and my siblings. This is my mother right here, guys.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to my mother. I'm so honored and proud that on a day like this, I get to spend it with my family. Mommy, thank you for believing in me. You never stopped me when I started making music and I was still in school. And today, look at us. We're here today. I want to say a big thank you to Dance God Lloyd and his team. A big thank you to my dad who's here as well. A big thank you to 5K and Sony Music. And the last one, a big thank you to the best fans in the world. Listen, if any young person is watching me right now who has a dream, use me as an example of resilience. My first year when I broke out on the scene, I had 7 nominations and I left with 0. While some people laugh, I just work harder because I believe in God's timing. Today, I am the chosen one. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, Charter House. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night. It's Ghana to the world. I want to tell you guys one thing. As you guys have chosen me to represent you guys, I want to tell you without failure, I promise you, it's Ghana to the world and I'm going to go. God bless you so much. Have a good night, Ghana.
Congratulations, King Promise.
Well deserved, that's all. In the spirit of thank yous, let me say a big thank you to my boss, Mr.